Activating the passive. Mastering voice conversion in present continuous tense. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English grammar. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of voice conversion, specifically, transforming passive voice to active voice in the present continuous tense. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to switch between these two voices with confidence. Before we start converting, let's get a solid grasp on the present continuous tense in passive voice. This tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now and are being done to the subject. For instance, consider the sentence, "The cake is being baked by John." Here, the focus is on the cake, the subject, not on who is doing the action, John. Switching to the active voice changes the focus to the doer of the action. In active voice, the subject performs the action. So, if we transform our previous sentence into active voice, we would say, John is baking the cake. John, the subject, is now the center of attention. Now, let's put theory into practice. We'll show a sentence in passive voice, and then convert it to active. You can follow along and test your understanding. 1. The car is being cleaned by the mechanic. 2. Active. The mechanic is cleaning the car. 3. The lesson is being taught by the teacher. 4. Active. The teacher is teaching the lesson. 5. The book is being read by Sarah. 6. Active. Sarah is reading the book. Remember, the process involves identifying the subject, the verb, and the object in the passive sentence, and then rearranging them to create an active sentence. Practice with as many sentences as you can. It's common to stumble a bit while learning, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Misplacing the subject and object. Remember, in the active voice, the subject is the one doing the action. Tense confusion. Ensure you maintain the same tense when converting. In our case, we're sticking to the present continuous tense. Congratulations! You've just added a valuable skill to your English grammar toolkit. Remember, the key to mastering voice conversion is consistent practice. We hope this video has been useful, and we can't wait to see you in our next one where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of English grammar together. Happy learning!